Bitcoin is trying to break here once again $25,000, and I believe today could be finally the day where we break this key level and will move higher into of course better price targets. But I also want to show you what's going to happen if we fail to do so. So definitely stick around here and make sure that you subscribe to the channel, like this video and activate the bell so that you will never miss out on these important updates. And now let me show you exactly what I'm seeing here. So here on the 4-hourly chart, we can clearly see that Bitcoin is trying to break this descending triangle here, ascending triangle to the upside. So, and we just broke again over $25,000, but Bitcoin is not out of the woods yet by just breaking $25,000, because remember guys, I had shown you that there is a crucial resistance at $25,200 that we need to break. And we failed already once, we failed twice, and now with this 4-hourly candle, if we break not above that level, we could see the third failure of breaking this level. So why do I remain still bullish? Because the more often we test this resistance, the weaker it gets. So shorting this makes absolutely no sense. It would be really stupid to short this resistance, in my opinion, because maximum when we get another 4-hourly candle testing this level, I guarantee you we're gonna break through. It normally doesn't happen that we get a fourth or even fifth retest and we are still not breaking that level to the upside. And we have now already 3, if this candle right now is not already doing the job and breaks above that, 3 candles retesting that level, and potentially with the next one or this one, we're actually gonna break it to the upside. Of course, yesterday I might have been a little bit too early. We got this crazy rejection from up here all the way down to $23,800, but we also came really quick back over $24,000 as the bulls stepped in, and we can clearly see that here in this specific candle. So now when we go to the other charts, also here within that broadening channel that we have here, we could also argue that we have here symmetrical triangle. Also here the top got 3 times tested with lower highs, and we have higher lows along the support here. So, and if we treat this as a symmetrical triangle, the target might be actually a little bit higher than with the ascending triangle. So here we would have a technical target, depending on where we break out, of 27,100 to 27,200. So that would be higher than the previous targets that we have seen yesterday, but I would definitely like to see first a breakout here. When I look at how far we are progressed within the pattern, I would like to see a little bit more maturity of that pattern before we break out. The ideal point of a breakout would be for me around here. So, and that would be tomorrow at 4 p.m. UTC time, where we would see then this breakout happen. That would be the best case scenario and the textbook example where you should see a break. We can break out prematurely, but the problem that I have with premature breaks is that they often turn out into a fake out, and then we come of course down and invalidate the pattern. That's normally most of the time what's happening if we have a pattern like this. So now let's talk about what's going to happen if we are not breaking to the upside over $25,200. So if we are not managing to break above $25,200 by today or tomorrow, then most likely we're going to come up to this level, get a rejection, and then we potentially fall to $22,800, because there is also a massive support level here, as you can see. See how many candles touched here along this line when it was support. So that will be the next level that we have to look out for if Bitcoin cannot manage to break above $25,200. This here would be the optimal entry target for a new long position. If we are not breaking over $25,200 and closing at least a 4-hourly candle above that level, then of course that is our entry for another long position. Otherwise, we should wait that Bitcoin price, if it corrects, comes down to $22,800. And guys, don't forget, if you want to trade with me in this upcoming bull run, then definitely sign up on BYBIT. There you still get $30,000 absolutely for free for using this specific link here, or on Bitget $20,000 absolutely for free, also only with this specific link here. And of course, if you want some free signals, I sent here and there up off and on some free signals in my free Telegram channel. The link is also in the pinned description or in the pinned comment below. And of course, also my paid signals. The contact is in the pinned comment or in the description below. So now let's go to the last chart for today, and that's the daily chart. So what I like here is that yesterday, when we got rejected, we did not even come down to retest the EMA ribbon. So we got nicely supported from this volume range over here actually higher. So here from this upper level of that volume area here, from 23,400 all the way up to 24,200-ish. That was from where we got supported, and I still stand by what I have said in the past, that once we are breaking over $25,200, we will see a really quick move all the way up here to $28,000, $29,000, because on the VPVR there is only thin air. So, but you might question yourself, how do I come up all the time with that number $25,200? Let me show it to you guys. So first I have to get rid of the VPVR. So here, you see this high here, this prior high. So that was a local high, swing high, last year, which is over 257 days old, where we touched this level for the last time, or were at this level price-wise. So, and that's why it is so crucial for Bitcoin to break this level, to reclaim this and make a new higher high in this structure, so that we can move into higher price levels. And Bitcoin is definitely trying right now to do that. So the question is, can we manage to do that? But with everything what's lining up on the chart, for me, it is a clear yes for the time being, unless we would break under, let's say, yeah, if we lose $22,800, then I would change my stance here. But the first warning sign would be $23,800. So that are two levels that we definitely have to watch here in the immediate short term. So, but right now it looks like that Bitcoin wants finally to make the move to the upside. Guys, that's everything for today from me. Tomorrow I will be most likely not doing a video. I will be flying back to Dubai. But I'm gonna try, guys. Other than that, don't forget, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you then back in Dubai.